Poem Rain in the Night. The topic itself says rain. That means we have already understood this poetry is about rain. Yes or no? So students, do you like rainy season? Do you like rainbow? Do you like a holiday on a heavy rainy day? Yes, I know everybody likes an unexpected holiday. Yes or no? Are you afraid of thunder and lightning? I am afraid of lightning, not thunder. What about you? Yes, everybody is afraid of thunder and lightning. Everybody is afraid of heavy rain too. We like rain, but not heavy rain. Yes or no? So, let's read this poem first and then I will start explaining each and every stanza. Okay, so let's begin. Poem 1, Rain in the Night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Poetess Amelia Josephine Burr. From the title, we get a rough idea what happens when it rains at night. Yes or no? You have experienced. When it rains at night, what happens? What do you feel? What do you think? See, when we are going to sleep, at night we feel it's raining outside, cool around. We can sleep hiding into our blanket. Yes or no? Sometimes we expect a unexpected power cut. If the power is gone, we start worrying whether the power will come or not tomorrow. If it is raining since evening and it is continuing throughout the night, we are worried. Why? Daddy has not come home yet. Mother starts worrying where daddy is, whether he is safe or not, when is he going to come home. Yes or no, students? So these things we are already experiencing in our life during rainy season. Yes. Likewise, the poetess Amelia Josephine Burr, she is the poetess of this beautiful poem. She has beautifully mentioned what she feels and thinks what happens outside her home when it rains at night. So let's read the first stanza. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. Song. Explanation. So the poetess Amelia Josephine says, it rains the whole night. Sometimes it's loud. Loud means it rains with thunder and lightning. Hearing and seeing these thunder and lightning, we are scared. Yes or no? So, poetess Amelia Josephine says, thunder and lightning is just like a song. Sometimes loud. Loud means when we hear thunder and lightning and when we see it, what mother does, immediately she will switch off all the electronic gadgets at our house. Yes or no? Look into the picture above. This is a image of loud rain. You can see thunder and lightning and heavy rain. This is soft rain. Usual rain. We are not afraid of this rain. Yes or no? It comes and it goes. This is song. As if a drummist is playing a rock and roll music on a drum. Have you heard? Yes, students. Let us read again. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. So the poetess Amelia says, when it rains at night, sometimes it is louder. We can hear thunder and lightning. Sometimes it is softer. We cannot hear any thunder and lightning. We are not afraid of the rain at night. Yes or no? And she is comparing the rain at night with a song. I have shown you rock and roll music, a drummist playing drum. Yes or no? So I hope this stanza is clear to you. Let's read the second stanza. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Explanation. So the poetess Amelia Josephine says, if it rains throughout night, then the gutters will flow like rivers. The drainage near to our road. How it flows? It flows like rivers. Street will look like lakes. Yes or no? Yes, we have seen it so many times even in our surroundings. Yes or no? Even in our area, even in our place, we have seen this. We have experienced this during rainy season. When it rains heavily, everybody enjoys rain, especially children. Yes or no? Even I also enjoy. I know you too enjoy. Like us, some pet animals too enjoy playing in the muddy water. They enjoy playing in the rain. Once they are dirty, they even does not like to bath. So the poetess Amelia Josephine says, their pet dog, little kitty, is very lazy and does not like to wash his dirty feet after playing in the rain, after playing in the muddy water. Let's read this stanza again. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Students, I hope this stanza is clear to you. Let us read the next stanza. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Explanation. So, the poetess Amelia Josephine says, diamonds are worn by kings and queens at their palace. Likewise, roses will shine like diamonds. Roses will glitter like diamonds when the rainwater will fall on them. Look into the picture. You can see droplets of water on the roses. So, the poetess Amelia Josephine says, but the pansies are short in height as compared to the rose plant. So, they will become dirty as the muddy water will overflow on them. These are the images of pansy. Take a look. So let's read again. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Students, I hope this stanza is clear to you. Let's read the next stanza. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Explanation. Poetess Amelia Josephine says she will take her boat next day to go to other places. Why she is taking the boat? Because if it rain all night one day before, next day the streets are flooded. It takes time for water evaporation. So instead of using a vehicle, she is using her boat to go out. But before going out, what she will do? So, before going out, she will clean the pansies using watering pot. Look into the picture above. In short, we can say poetess Amelia Josephine like plants and flowers. She takes good care of them. So, let us read this stanza again. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Poetess Amelia Josephine Burr. Students, I hope this stanza is clear to you. Let us read this poem again completely. Poem 1, Rain in the Night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Students, I hope this poem is very well understood to you. Thank you.